Hey, want to know a little bit more about sort of intercity Calgary neighborhoods? Our home here is there's a bungalow in Altadore, and we're on the 17th Street between 38th and 39th Ave. So you can see my neighbor there. When I moved into this property in 2007, I had bungalows all over the street, and currently that's not the case. So you can see these are all what we call infills. So people will buy a 50-foot lot, which normally is a bungalow sitting on it, and they'll tear down the bungalow and build these infills. And these infills are selling kind of when they don't do it so well and the market's bad for a low of $800,000. And you know, we even see sales above 1.2, sort of higher these days. And then you see right across the street there, this big one was built in, quite good time. But right next to it, it's kind of the original infills in the neighborhood. The small, they were built probably late 80s, early 90s. Those are some of the first inbuilds. A lot of them built by Sundance Home, right across the street. So that's just the teardown. There used to be a house there 2 days ago. Why is it not there anymore? Well, it's a 1950s bungalow. They bought that lot, I believe, for $865, and it's direct to the homeowner. And that's the case. So I'll just give you a little idea of lot values here in our inner city neighborhood in Altadore. So these properties that I'm walking past, we'll see that one there. Originally sold for about 1.1, and probably I'd say base 2013-14, and then resold maybe 2016 for 1, and then this one here was built I think probably 2007 or something. It's never been a good seller. And then this corner lot was purchased by these folks. So corner lots are worth a lot, tend to be more. I was really surprised in January of 2021 when this corner lot sold for $845, again direct to the seller. And I thought that was a high price at the time, but I was sure that they were going to build a fourplex because the city wants to densify things. So most of our corner lots these days should be fourplexes. And so you can see there's a right property for a build on that corner lot. Although that corner lot might be a little small. And then another one right there, just a gorgeous, gorgeous property. And then we have some of these older style infills that would have been built probably early 90s. And Sundance was one of the first sort of inner city builders who was tearing down bungalows and putting in these smaller lots, these homes, two-story homes on smaller lots. And then we're walking past what's happening right now, this teardown. And I already told you, so lot value in the neighborhood is towards $900,000 at the moment. I haven't seen it ever higher. It goes up and it goes down in Calgary, like you know. And then here we have another, I guess we have like really just 3 bungalows left on the street. And then this was an interesting one. This was built probably 2011, and it's got a secondary suite in the basement and a double detached garage, which we're starting to see more and more. And then finally, we got that corner lot there, but that corner lot was listed on MLS as low as $710. Just before Christmas, and currently it's listed as a for sale by owner for $850-ish, and he says he's not taking less, but it's only 37.5 feet of frontage on this side, and so it's really not big enough. No one's certain they can put a fourplex there. Many think they can't even put a duplex there. So just a little lesson on inner city land value on my blog here at Altadore. If you have specific questions on selling, buying, building in the inner city, would love to help. Thanks for watching.